Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken, I am Kanchan here. This time I have taken the chapter The Hack Driver from the book uh, Footprints Without Feet. So, a young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. Does he find him? Who is Lutkins? So here in this chapter, Lutkins is a man who is a very cunning man and who was a witness in a case, but he ignored all the requests for appearing, and a young lawyer was given the duty to find the man in a New Mullion is a place, and there he meets a helpful and cheerful hack driver. So what happens? We will see here. So hack driver means cart driver. Now, after graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm, and I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but the author is saying that he had gone to serve summons here, like a cheap private detective. Then he was doing his job there, and in the side of city life, it revealed to me. I even considered fleeing to my hometown, but he could not do because it was right away without going through this unpleasant training period. So he had to do that, and so I rejoiced one day. Rejoiced means he entertained one day. When they sent me means he was sent to give someone out 40 miles in the country, means a village, to a town called New Mullion. So New Mullion was a place where the lawyer had to go to give a summon, and summon was to be given to Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness, so he was a witness in a case. When I got, author is saying कि जब वो न्यू मिलियन पहुंचा, my eager expectation of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its streets were rivers of mud, मतलब full of mud it was, and the rows of wooden shops either painted a sour brown or bare of any paint at all. So the only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. This means the hack driver was there, and I told to find a man named Lutkins. The author has told him that he wanted to find a man that name is Oliver Lutkins. Lutkins, I saw him. Then this hack driver said that Lutkins, yes, I saw him, and I will take you to him. Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train today, so I want to meet him because I have to give him summon. I will tell you what I have got a hack. I will get it out and we can drive around together. And Lutkins the hack driver said that I will help you to find out Lutkins. He was so open and friendly. The author is saying he was so open and friendly that he became very happy after meeting him. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour, and the bargaining was $2 an hour. And then they brought him a house nearby, a large black box on wheels, and he remarked, "Well, young man, here is the carriage." And his wide smile made me into an old friend. So the author is here, and the hack driver had prepared his card. He said, "I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins because he is such type of fellow. Enough to play with him because he is in the habit to collect money, to owe money, and he doesn't return. I loved him for this by myself. I might never have found with the hack driver's knowing help. I was sure of getting my man because the author wanted to get Lutkins and the hack driver was with him. So they were keeping discussion and the cart was moving. We will give Brother Lutkins a little surprise. Let's start, driver. Most folks means villagers around here call me Bill और मैग्नुसन. मतलब हेड ड्राइवर ने बताया कि मुझे लोग बिल भी बुलाते हैं, मैग्नुसन भी बुलाते हैं. माई बिजनेस इज कॉल्ड विलियम. माई बिजनेस इज called William Magnuson, fancy carting and hacking. All right, Bill, shall we proceed? तो चलते हैं फ्रिट्ज के घर में. हो सकता है वहाँ कुछ पता चले ल्यूटकिंस का. Yes, Lutkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Plays a lot of poker. Poker is a game. He is good at deceiving people. तो उसने कहा कि ल्यूटकिन ऐसा है जो डिसीव करता, लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाता है. एंड ही टेक्स मनी एंड फ्रिज की शॉप में हो सकता है वो मिल जाए, बिकॉज ही गो देयर फॉर शेविंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल कैरी ऑन इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो.